Want to know how to build a small project using Cloud AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first is simply open up your Cloud AI website and it should be under this interface right here. And now once you're under this interface, on the top left side, you should be seeing this plus icon right here. And now once you have selected this plus icon, you should be under the new chat. So I'm just going to continue from the existing chat for this video, but if you want a new chat, you can just simply do the process. Doing a small project or letting Cloud AI generate a small project is super simple. What you need to make sure is your requirement is there and your code is there. So what is the project that you want to make? So I'm going to give you a prompt right here in a while, and you need to have these specifications. So your requirements, maybe 4 to 5 requirements, and your language as well, your skill level, your focus area, and that's it. Once everything is done, you can just simply select send right here and it should go for it. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.